a whore. No offense to Kikis. If you have a friend as you name Kiki, or you have a sister, a auntie named Kiki, just hope that she in at the 2 out of the 10 where's a good girl. The other 8 of them a bitch. Me no know no Kiki, we're good. Let me see. Kiki always a settle. It's 2 out of every 10 Kiki is good. I'm telling you. Everybody there on Kiki, you love me. And that's a Drake is a proper fucking nerd. No girl now gonna stay with Drake long. Drake have money. But Drake a nerd. A dog and all that. Be a nerd, he ain't a Dallas. You know, real niggas. Now if you ask y'all if you love me. You know what I mean? Real talk niggas. Y'all be asking you, do you love me, babes? If your man, if you ask a girl if the girl love him, what that show you? That's a sense of insecurity. That's a sense of that girl there run your head. Cause you have to ask the person if them love you. Need us think so. And Drake really a cry on a song. Yeah, I'm good. I don't talk about World Clash yesterday. They posted them rob me. Then give me a 9-9. I can't talk about World Clash every day. World Clash and World Trash. I can't give a fuck, 2 flying fucks about World Clash. You understand? I don't really care about World Clash. I don't win it already. The first edition to that new World Clash edition. So, I don't win it already. Everybody says that the little bleach out guy, Trippple X, will go on like him rate me. But I watch back all the video now, I see the pussy don't really rate me. It's just World War 9. And Chumos does. You see me, Gaza? Last night, one night at the clash, I just felt like being disciplined and decent for once in my life. At least them can say me be decent for once in my life. Because I should have tell them, go take the trophy and show up in our mama pussy. You don't feel like I'm frightened for trophy. I want them to know say a whole heap of blood clot trophy over my yard. All I'm want dust up and fix up, you know? I know I'm going to feel independence, you know. Probably don't when Nanny have the maroons there. Oh no, yeah. And is Jamaica really independent? Last time I checked, I'm not independent because they never have a mind of them. just a figure of speech. Independence without independence. But yeah, nobody no need to ask me about the clash. Wanna go watch it and see the pussy them do a bag of fuckery. China and them Japanese them always try to make it look like the Japanese them bigger than Matterhorn, which they aren't. Cause after them win the trophy, nobody now rate them, cause people still say, oh, no really deserve the trophy. So I don't like when I get more bookings than Matterhorn. I don't like when I bigger than Matterhorn. I don't like when I make more money. So I care zero. Only now get more ratings. Do the maths. You see what I say? Yeah, from second round, this pussy I talk about, I made it for drop out, and I me win the first round going into the second round. So even the second round, I me win, and this little bitch was like, "Oh, I'm not around me that expect for drop out. You as the MC, you instigate and an insight against an opponent." One of the contestants, you can't do that. That's like when you're in a courthouse and them say you're badgering the witness. You can't do that. I'm gonna watch them do it, and you know if you just stop the music and say, "Hey, big fat boy, go dive in your mama pussy, go suck your mama batty boy," I mean I ramp with. You know say about 50 million times that run up in my mind. I say, oh no sponsors, Red Stripe got two Red Stripe up in our mama pussy. I wanna take this one. Hey boy, you know how much time? You see all the time when I say you depend about put 200 a year and I say my youth are more shaky. You know how much times I restrain myself from telling some fest and the organizers and the sponsors. The whole I want to go sum up on the mama big stinking pussy. I mean, when I ramp with batty boy and sodomite. You knew how much times I came out of myself and went to Mars. I wonder if you know. But I'm trying a new strategy as of last year. It's kind of working in favor of you fucking people out there in society. You start thinking that Matterhorn is nice and Matterhorn is soft. That's what it's doing. But to me, it's really tearing me apart because this is not me. I'm a demon. You think Tamil a demon? Last year when we had my little run-in in Florida with the artist and birthday party, did you know how much demons come out? I'm going to go so calm. And I smile because I'm trying to learn in this older times. Me I try to learn for contain my temper. When you see Matterhorn just because I know say, people, whatever, do what you want to do and just nice. Any bomber ass clock body when no Matterhorn from World Clash days. Remember, me are the first selector win World Clash back to back, you know. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to calm a demon and try to mix in with normal civilians and normal earthlings. I'm a Martian. You know what I'm saying? So, I like how people see Matterhorn evolve into a decent human being. So, y'all need to give me a pat on the back and a thumbs up or a 2 and up for show appreciation of the new Matterhorn, because the real Matterhorn is not that. Because even the sponsor them know, say, me tell them, say, Red Stripe, go suck on the mama, be a batty man over that. Me not care. Suck on the mother. Remember, me not like her. You know what I'm saying? So, I'm trying my endeavor best to act as a human being. Because I'm not human. I'm from Mars. I've been telling you, say I come from Mars, but you don't believe me, so what the fucking do? I done the telling already. You know what I'm saying? So when one day I want to find out, say, oh, him really was a Martian, then I'm not going to feel like a pussy and say, John, no, you know, say, I'm not always saying I'm a Martian, but we never believe him. So, me I try telling him, say, I'm trying to live like you earthlings with empathy, sympathy, emotions, expression, compassion, passion. I'm just trying to do all these things. Then, why? I don't think that big pussy wall there, that little suck pussy boy, Ricky Trooper, did I run off his mouth on the fucking internet? I'm gonna write off him blood clot. Come on. You don't know of me for those. Whosa? And this little pussy I chat one bag of thing. Oh, pussy Matterhorn. Oh, me thump in her face. Oh, the ice saying king. Oh, me take a Matterhorn money. Me punch up him. Oh, the ice. Oh no. Are the biggest idiot of all times because oh no. In a witch bomber blood rascal world. That's why I tell you, say, I am trying to adapt and fit in like you normal fuckers. Which, it's kind of proving to me hard to do, but I'm trying my best. So when my blood clot snap on the next motherfucker, you can't say, he never tried to be human. Remember one pussy this me, you know? And one boy, I been off him blood clot face in a video, you know? And what you saw me do? I smiled. Because me know how dangerous me is. People with power and people who know about real power don't use power, you know? It's people who never used to power, abuse power. In case you never know that. You see a man who drive a fast racing car. You notice a race driver rarely crash. Do you know that? One of them professional driver will drive a NASCAR them place there. I forget over to the left. No one